Morning everybody. Here's our new little detached des res we bought today for our birds. Complete with bath. And they ain't in it because they are here. Fly loose around here. Our massive wind chime collection we've collected from our world travels. I think we've got about 30 something now. See, they're everywhere. From India to Dublin and back. We've even got a Sir Arthur Guinea swan, look. There. But these are the most spoilt birds in the UK. Even more spoilt than Mrs. Abramovich's football players. Aren't you? Legend has it that they like evian water instead of tap water. Come on. That's it. Good boys. Hey? You good little boys? You're going back in now. I like this story, yeah? You wait while we nip to the pub, then you'll nip in for a drink and something to eat and come back out, won't you, little buggers? Yeah. Bye everyone.